Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to unbox and assemble some more citrus planters from Vego. And in those planters, we are going to plant navel orange and a pear. Let's get started. Okay, first thing we need to do is obviously unbox it. So out of the box, we have our 4 panels. We have our support. We have our hardware. We have the bottom, which you place onto the support, and we have our wheels, 2 of which are locking. So the first thing we're going to do is to allow me to place these around like so. And line them up with the pre-drilled holes. And next, we're going to take these and tighten them into the base. Not all the way, but somewhat so that it stays together. Next, we're going to add our wheels. And as I said, 2 have the locking mechanism, such as this one. So we're going to put them opposite each other into the pre-drilled holes. And next, we're going to add our wheels. And as I said, 2 have the locking mechanism, such as this one. So we're going to put them opposite each other into the pre-drilled holes. So we have our wheels on, and currently they are locked so it doesn't roll off the bench. Now we're going to go ahead and finish adding the rest of our screws. We'll do that via time lapse. Here is one finished planter, and we're going to go ahead and put the other one together, and then later on we'll show you how we're going to fill them and then plant the trees. So we have soil placed into one of the planters that you're looking at. In this clip, we have the pear tree that I received from Fast Growing Trees. Both of the trees were planted today. The pear as well as the navel orange were gifted via Fast Growing Trees, and I'd like to give them a shout out. So I'm going to use my pocket knife to take off the protective covering that the Pear came in. It is in a plastic bag zip tied with a burlap bag wrapped around the root with some soil. Now, I received this a couple days ago but couldn't plant because I didn't have the planters. So we're going to go ahead and remove it, and you're going to see the roots momentarily. Then we're going to place it into the container and backfill it with soil about an inch to 2 inches from the top. Once we finish doing that, I'm going to add some mulch. So this is the Cara navel orange, and we're going to take it out of its protective covering and place it into the citrus planter, repeating the same steps that we did with the pear tree. The roots look nice and healthy, and they are not dry, which means to me that the plant was well cared for. The final step here is to add mulch to both of the planters. Thank you for coming along with me while I showed you my two newest fruit trees for the homestead, a pear and a Cara Naval orange. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. What other fruit are you guys growing this year? I'm interested to know. I'm here in Zone 9A, North Florida, and I'm trying to make my fruit forest as large as I can possibly get. If you're interested in the trees themselves, I'll leave my affiliate link for fast growing trees in the description and comment portion of the video, as well as my link for Vego and their citrus planters. That will also be in the description and comment portion of the video. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.